Hi, it's Kate from Big Review TV. We are here at San Lorenzo in Melbourne, and this place is just incredible. It is a beautiful Italian restaurant. The food is delicious so far. I've gotten into the gnocchi. Now, the gnocchi, the pizza, the panna cotta, it's all fresh, all made on site. They have a special oven that cooks the dishes in like 90 seconds or something crazy. The dough is all made here and it is very good for your digestion. So I'm gonna say it's like a skinny pizza. What more could you want really? It is incredible. So come and check it out for yourself because you really have to experience it to know how good it is. Download the Big Review TV app and visit the guys at San Lorenzo. Could be the best Italian in Melbourne. I'm just saying, best Italian in Melbourne. Come and check it out.